The 18th Harbin International Snow Sculpture Contest ended on January 5th. 20 teams from 11 nations took part in the contest. The French team won the gold with their piece titled Enter Freely. Russia and China came in second place, while Thailand and Indonesia got third place. The event was held at Harbin San Island Park, which is on an island on the Songhuajiang River, located on the outskirts of Harbin. In order to get there, tourists must take a bus or drive across a 1-kilometer-long cross-river bridge. Harbin is the coldest metropolis in China. In winter, it turns into a snow and ice world, with the temperatures reaching -20 or even -30 degrees Celsius. Contrary to popular belief, the cold weather does not stop people from joining in the fun of snow sculpting. The snow sculpture contest has been a long-standing tradition in Harbin. It serves as a platform for artists to express themselves and their culture, as well as to learn from others.
Countries in Asia and from generally the East, more of a classic sort of style, the sculptures are all very ornate, they're very decorative, they're very, there's a lot to them, they're very intricate, lots of detail here. Even here there's quite a lot of detail. In the West, I think there's a lot more focus towards contemporary design and very much more modern sort of ideas. The Italians have done their pasta, it looks really, really good and very sharp, clean lines. There's not much intricate detail. Same with us. It's a car, it's quite a simple, shape, it's straight line.
During the contest, each team was given a snow block that was 3 meters tall and 4 meters wide. The South Korean team seemed to be having a lot of fun while making their sculpture titled Life and Earth, and their detailed work won them the technical award. However, their sculpture of Psy, the singer of Gangnam Style, in the city center won much more attention from the crowds.